The big Honor X10 Max is scheduled to arrive on July 2nd, and the phone has now been certified at TENAA. Although most of the specs already leaked, hear what the specs sheet tells us: a big 7.09 LCD screen, big 5000 mAh battery, but underwhelming amount of cameras, only 2 shooters on the back and 1 on the front. The device is said to come with Dimensity 800 chipset, just like the Honor X10, according to some earlier rumors. TENAA does not reveal the platform, but it does say the CPU goes as high as 2.0 GHz, which is in line with the Mediatek chip that is 5G enabled. RAM is either 6GB or 8GB, and storage is also 2 options: 64GB or 128GB. The cameras on the Honor X10 Max are said to be 48MP plus 2MP on the back and 8MP on the front. The dual setup is likely a combination of a main camera and a depth sensor, which underlines the importance of the screen. The Huawei brand is clearly pitching this device as suitable for content consumption and not camera experience.